Traders, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday, October 11th, 2024, and today we're diving into the latest Forex news and market trends. A lot has happened this week, and there are some key developments you'll want to know about before heading into the weekend. So let's jump into it. First up, we've got the US dollar, which has had a pretty eventful week. It's been strengthening, mainly due to the continued hawkish stance from the Fed. We saw a slight bump after yesterday's jobless claims data came in lower than expected, which is keeping the dollar supported. With inflation still in focus, the market's pricing in another rate hike by the end of the year, and that's got traders eyeing the greenback. Going into today, the dollar index is sitting comfortably above 105.5, and all eyes are on this afternoon's speech by Fed Chair Powell. If he hints at more aggressive tightening, we could see further gains in the dollar, especially against the euro and yen. Speaking of the euro, it's been on the back foot this week. It's trading near monthly lows, and there's growing concern around the Eurozone's economic outlook. The latest data out of Germany showed industrial production falling for the second straight month, fueling recession fears. With the ECB staying cautious about further tightening, the euro has struggled to find any real support. Today, the EURUSD is hovering around 1.0520. If we don't see any surprises from the Fed later, the pair might remain range-bound, but a break below 1.05 could open the door for deeper losses heading into next week. On to the yen now, which continues to slide as the Bank of Japan holds firm on its ultra-loose monetary policy. Despite some market speculation that the BOJ might shift its stance, Governor Ueda has been clear that inflation still isn't high enough to justify tightening. This has kept USDJPY on a steady upward trajectory, currently flirting with the 150 level. Traders are watching closely to see if the government might intervene if the yen weakens too much, but for now, the trend remains in favor of the dollar. Over in the UK, the British pound has also faced some pressure this week. While the Bank of England left rates unchanged at their last meeting, the dovish tone from policymakers has weighed on sterling. Inflation numbers are due next week, and that could give us a clearer picture of what's ahead for GBP USD. As of today, the pair is trading around 1.150, but if we see any surprises in inflation data, we could see some volatility heading into next week. Looking at commodity currencies, the Aussie and Kiwi dollars have both taken a hit recently, largely due to weaker economic data out of China. With China being a major trading partner for both Australia and New Zealand, any slowdown there tends to have a ripple effect on these currencies. The AUD USD is trading below 0.63 today, and unless we get some positive news out of China, it's hard to see much upside for the Aussie in the near term. Alright, traders, that's your update for October 11th, 2024. Keep an eye on those key levels, and remember, it's all about staying informed and ready to adjust your strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for daily Forex news and analysis. Trade smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.